Question: how to replace a bathroom faucet? Answer: the bathroom faucet is a durable and long-lasting product. It does not need a replacement for a very long time, and obviously, it is not the thing you would like to change without any reason. If your bathroom faucet needs replacement, you can replace them with these instructions. Number 1. Check the available space above and below the sink. It will help you to find the perfect faucet for your sink. Number 2. Pick all the essential tools including a wrench, towel, silicone caulk, knife, and plumber's putty. Number 3. Turn the power supply off and open the faucet to release water from the supply line. Remove the drainage pipe and remove the mounting nuts with a towel or wrench if they are too tight. Number 4. Pull out the old faucet and attach the new one following the company's instructions. Tighten the faucet with mounting nuts and start using.